ball versus mine. Your ball versus mine. Hey, take off your glass. Take off your glass. Take off your glass. You fix your hand size yet? You did it, right? That's it.
Make like you're